In 1944, inside a German prisoner of war camp, a group of captured soldiers accidentally created a stock market. No banks, no apps, no Wall Street, just wooden barracks, barbed wire, Red Cross parcels, and one strange currency: cigarettes. At first, it was simple barter. A man who did not smoke traded his cigarette ration for chocolate. Another traded cigarettes for canned beef. Someone else used them to buy soap, tea, or a warmer shirt. But very quickly, something bigger happened. Prices became organized. A tin of cheese had a price. Chocolate had a price. A shirt had a price. Even favors had a price. Cigarettes were no longer just something to smoke. They had become money. Soon, the prisoners built their own little economy. They watched supply. They watched demand. They tracked prices on boards. And when cigarette rations became scarce, prices rose. When more cigarettes arrived, prices fell. It was a prison camp, but the market behaved like any market in the world. Then human psychology took over. Some men who did not even smoke began hoarding cigarettes, not because they needed them, but because everyone else accepted them. And in a place where freedom was gone, holding the currency felt like holding control. A few prisoners became rich, at least on paper. They owned boxes of cigarettes, hundreds, maybe thousands. Inside the camp, they were millionaires, but their wealth was built on one fragile belief: that tomorrow everyone would still want cigarettes. Then came the crash. One morning, a rumor spread. A Red Cross truck was coming, double rations, more cigarettes for everyone. Panic moved through the camp. If new cigarettes flooded the market, old cigarette wealth would collapse. So everyone rushed to sell. Prices dropped, then dropped again, then collapsed. Men who had felt rich in the morning were wiped out by afternoon. And the truck never arrived. There were no double rations, no flood of cigarettes, no real supply shock, only fear. The entire crash was created by belief, and that is the lesson. Markets are not just numbers. They are not just charts. They are not just supply and demand. Markets are human emotion wearing a price tag. Greed creates bubbles, fear creates crashes, and confidence can turn a cigarette into money.